Here's a list of 20 popular American birds with brief information about each. 1. Bald eagle. The national bird of the United States, known for its powerful build and white head and tail feathers. It symbolizes freedom and strength. 2. American robin. A common songbird with a bright red breast. It is one of the first birds to appear in spring, signaling the season's arrival. 3. Northern Cardinal. Famous for its vibrant red plumage, this bird is a year-round favorite in gardens across North America. 4. Blue jay. A striking blue and white bird, known for its loud call and intelligent behavior. It's often seen in forests and suburban areas. 5. American crow. Highly intelligent and adaptable, crows are found throughout the U.S. They are known for using tools and solving complex problems. 6. Red-tailed hawk. A large bird of prey with a distinctive reddish-brown tail. It's commonly seen soaring high in the sky or perched on telephone poles. 7. Mourning dove. This gentle bird is recognized by its soft cooing sound and long, pointed tail. It's widely found in forests, fields, and urban areas. 8. Great horned owl. A nocturnal predator with distinctive tufts resembling horns. It is widespread across North America and known for its hooting calls. 9. American goldfinch. A small bird with bright yellow feathers and a black cap, often seen in gardens and fields. It feeds primarily on seeds. 10. Turkey vulture. This scavenger bird has a unique bald head and dark wings. It plays an important ecological role by cleaning up carrion. 11. Pileated woodpecker. One of the largest woodpeckers in North America, known for its striking red crest and distinctive drumming sound on trees. 12. Eastern bluebird. A small, colorful bird with bright blue feathers on its back and a reddish-brown chest. It's commonly found in open woodlands and gardens. 13. Western meadowlark. A grassland bird with a distinctive yellow belly and melodious song. It's often seen perched on fence posts in rural areas. 14. Common grackle. A large blackbird with iridescent plumage and a sharp, aggressive behavior. It's frequently found in cities and farmlands. 15. Scarlet tanager. A brightly colored bird with vivid red feathers and black wings. It's typically found in woodlands during the summer. 16. American kestrel. The smallest falcon in North America, this bird is known for its colorful plumage and hunting ability. It often hunts insects and small mammals. 17. Indigo bunting. A small, bright blue bird that's commonly seen in shrublands and open woods. It migrates south during the winter. 18. Black-capped chickadee. A tiny, friendly bird that's easily recognizable by its black cap and cheerful chick-a-dee-dee-dee call. It's often seen in forests. 19. Ruby-throated hummingbird. The only hummingbird species that migrates across the eastern U.S. known for its brilliant red throat and hovering flight. 20. Wilson's warbler. A small, bright yellow songbird that is commonly found in forests and gardens during migration. It has a distinctive black cap on its head.